hope you all are doing good. My name is Isha and you all are welcome to my YouTube channel Vacation Stories. Today we are going to talk about the monthly expenses along with the income in Australia as an international student. It is always good to do part-time job, and with that part-time job earning you can pay your tuition fees. So let's watch it. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it, and at the end of the video I hope you will get all the information. Till then, watch more. As an international student, you must not aware about what are the job opportunities available. So today I am going to show you what kind of jobs you can do in Australia as an international student in year 2020, because due to this COVID-19 a lot of jobs are facing difficulties because they don't have any work, so they are not hiring employees. Even if they have employees extra, then they are giving them layoff. So let's quickly go ahead what kind of part-time jobs are available. So most common jobs like a sales guy. So there's a shop for an example and you just have to take care of the shop. So this is kind of a sales girl or sales boy job. Then delivery boy job like food delivery or courier delivery or Amazon, Flipkart, you can go and do that one. Third job is the most earning jobs, so that is called sales job. So in any of the field you have to go and sell your products. That is known in Australia as a door-to-door marketing. So in what you have to do is, you have to, no matter what weather is there, you have to go to door and you have to sell the products. You have to explain the products, whether it is electronic items, whether it is of clothes, whether it is of beauty products, no matter what. So these are the basic three jobs. Then which are most common is cleaning jobs. So everything must not have that comfort level for doing cleaning job, but trust me, you should go ahead with cleaning job. A lot of my students are doing cleaning job and they are earning pretty much well. And the last common job is warehouse job, like there are food packaging factories, they have Amazon and their godowns. So you just have to pack the food or you just have to pack the courier, and it is like that. What I mean to say is, if you are going for this kind of common jobs as an international student, you are allowed to work only 20 hours per week. It means 40 hours per fortnight. So when it comes on the earning, that how much you are going to get, so basic pay scale of Australia is 18.93, but most of the companies are giving $20 minimum wage. So whether you are in Adelaide, whether you are in Melbourne or Sydney, Australia is quite expensive, super expensive. It's not that easy to survive there, along with your high rent, your living cost, your transportation, your food, your internet, mobile. There are a lot of things. So after managing all these things, you have to save money because you have to pay the tuition fees of your courses too. So if we will consider that you are getting $20 per hour and you are working for 20 hours a week, you can earn easily 400 Australian dollars, and equals to, for a month you can earn 15 to 1600 Australian dollar for a month. So if you are doing what are the secrets that students are paying their tuition fees, why and how? So there are a lot of jobs available where they are paying you in cash. So that is called cash in hand jobs. In this case, you don't need to pay the tax. You will get all your pay, whatever you are working for, you'll get all your payment by cash. You will not get it in your bank account. So they also know, employer don't need to pay the tax, along with you also don't need to pay the tax. So a lot of students are doing that, but it is not recommended, because if you will got caught doing this, you can be deported from Australia. So please be very safe and doing anything like this. So what are the secrets? Like one of my student is earning more than 3,000 for a month. So how? By not doing any illegal jobs and not doing even any cash in hand jobs. So that is the secret. He's doing a sales job wherein he has to sell the products, explain the parties for the product, and he need to have a very good personality, a good communication skill, and the knowledge about the product. So if you are doing that, you will get your salary. Along with that, you will get your incentives. So if you want to earn more than 2,000 or 3,000 Australian dollar for a month, then you can go ahead with that kind of sales job. There are a lot of jobs available, but due to this pandemic, as of now the situation is not that good. So I have heard that a lot of students are sharing me that one of my friend is there in Australia, and people are saying it's not that easy to get the job. And here students are feeling like once I land in Australia, immediately after the second day I'll get the job. So that's not easy. It is actually not easy. You have to fight for your job opportunity, because you have to show your skills, you have to show your English, because it's an English speaking country. So again, I'll come on that topic, that please prepare your IELTS PT or any of the language proficiency test very good. Prepare your English on very, very, very good level, because you need to deal with English only. So these are the basic things. I hope I have given you the secrets to earn more in Australia as an international student. For more updates, keep watching Vacation Stories video. There are a lot of videos available in my playlist. So please check it out in my channel.